We're in front of the birdhouse at the St. Louis Zoo. Trying to find the entrance to let us in. Giant penguins on top. It looks like an owl.
4 eyes? He's pretty.
What's he called?
Pigeon.
I like their heads. Up, down. Burrowing owls. Oh, there he is up in the tree. There. White-headed buffalo weaver.
I know, look at this. It's a quite old black thing.
They're flying around in there. Spur-winged plover. A frogmouth. Pointy frogmouth. Golden-breasted starling. It's up in the tree.
Oh, and that one also is.
Buff-crested buzzard.
It's a natural ball.
He's right by the
It's a magpie robin.
I wonder if he's hungry. Look at him.
Magpie robin. What's a magpie robin? They sometimes go. Daddy pronounce.
Bird.
Daddy
He's
pronounce.
right there. See him?
There's the other bird
Yeah.
here. There and there.
This
Can
is
you please
cool.
play it down loud, bud?
He did.
Daddy pronounce it. Majestic robin, right?
Horn guan.
Aaron, this way.
He's up there. He's got a basket up in the tree.
Horn jewel.
Buff-crested buzzard.
Horn jewel. Daddy pronounce.
That's the same guy as over there, it looks like. Pretty similar. He's right by the fence too.
Right.
This kind looks like standing by the fence.
Okay, where is it?
Sun bittern. Oh, he's in the water.
I ain't gonna read anymore.
Button quail and white-cheeked bulbul. Somebody's back there on the ground. He's coming around the edge. Oh, he's going back under the plant.
Oh, I love it. It's a cake.
One leg.
One leg.
See how it relaxes with one leg up?
Cape thickney. And then there's birds up at the top. They're bee eaters.
Common bee eagle.
See it eat the fish?
Common bee eagle. Dad,
Lots of them in there. I like those ones up in the tree. Let's see who's over here. Rhinoceros hornbill. They had one of these outside too. Oh, there he is. He's behind the tree. Can't see him very good today. Oh, here's somebody right by the fence. Hi, birdie. Oh, I don't see. Oh, the kookaburra's in here today, it says. Oh, there he is, back in the corner. What's he doing back there? Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Mary, Mary, King of the bush. Bleeding heart dove. I can see him. He's over here. He's sitting next to his water. There's a peacock pheasant in here and a blue-bellied roller. I can see the peacock back there behind the rock. He's got some pretty colors. Oh, he's coming out to see us. Hi there. You a pretty bird? And some peafowl, Congo peafowl over here. They have some pretty colors in there. They're sitting right by some people. Let's see who's over here. That was a Edwards pheasant we were looking at a minute ago over there. Somebody up there.
And these two are pretty funny. Like they leave each other alone, but there will be times when she's just walking through to get to the pool. And if he's right there, he'll just start screaming and throw his wings open, and she just goes right down.
Oh, there's the bird.
Yeah.
Bird's behind the sign. The Cape Cookie. Some more starlings and Edwards pheasants in here.
There's a toucan up there.
On that side on the end is a toucan.
Oh, look, she's feeding that guy behind you.
Well, maybe that's why the other ones are so noisy. There's some right on this side that keep screaming.
Yeah, me and Mom are gonna wait outside though. Outside the store here.
Elegant crested cinnamon. Horn blonde. Gray winged trumpeter. They're noisy. Ooh, look at their purple necks. More trumpeters. They're noisy too. Oh, nobody home there. Some kind of eagle. He's looking the other way. The toucans. Oh, look at those toucans. The blue macaws used to be in that one over there. But I don't know if they got them back yet.
I'm trying to remember what they're called.
Great big parrot.
Huh?
Karen had a red macaw.
Oh, yeah.
The blue ones have like,
They
they're
sent them
blue
somewhere else.
gold beaks. Yeah. They send them to another zoo. I like those tuki birds.
Okay, I'm gonna wait outside here.
Okay, I'll be out in a minute. Three-toed box turtle. That's not a bird. Let's see what this guy's called. There's some neat pictures of these guys on the internet. The frog mouth. Do you know if you guys are getting the blue macaws back?
They are not coming back. They moved to Kansas.
Okay.
Sedgwick County's doing Kansas. They get to be outside in the summer, and they have lots of other parrot species there as well, so they get to interact with other birds. And they have keepers that actually work with them, like training them and stuff like that. So
Okay.
we couldn't provide that for them here.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
It's an old building.